Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Beautiful Toy Reviews. In this video today, I'm going to be reviewing a motion sensing helicopter of the Child, finally known by his real name, Grogu. He's from the very popular Disney Plus TV show called The Mandalorian. And you can clearly see it is from the Star Wars universe. Now you can find this little guy from Macy's, Target, Hobby Lobby, or just simply type in the Child helicopter or rocket copter, and you should be able to find that. And I'm sure Amazon and eBay also carries it too. There's two different kinds of these little guys. One is the sculpted, which is what I have. It's three-dimensional. You can touch it, feel his ears. The other one is printed, so it's just a ball and with his face printed on there. So it's made by World Tech Tools. You can fly up to 15 feet. You can use it indoors. You can also fly this thing outdoors, just make sure there's no wind. And apparently it has a technology, if it hits something, it stops spinning, so which is wonderful, so that way the blades won't break. There's the Mandalorian symbol. It comes with a remote, but it also has an on and off switch on the device itself. You can charge it up with a USB port. So we have the back. Look how happy he is. Whee! So here we have the instruction manual. It comes with two replacement blades, USB port, remote, in this show he has this hover carriage or pram, and it just like floats. So this is just, it totally fits into the theme. Look at him, he's so cute. Look how happy he is. You got a side angle here. You can even see the lid part that closes. And it's got these balance things. So the details is really nice. Of course, you want to keep it away from people, pets, and objects. And you plug it into the back when you charge it up. Right there. There's the on and off switch. So you put your hand directly below it. Even though it says never use outdoors, like I said, you should be able to use it outside as long as, you know, it's away from places, and of course make sure there's no wind. I think they recommend that because once you're outdoors, you could get in a tree, could hit something. Of course it could hit something indoors too, but I think it's mainly because of the wind. All right, let's go and test this little guy out. So when you turn it on, it flashes on the back. And when you charge this, when it's charging, it flashes red. You just release it. You can grab it. So the signal is, there's this clear antenna right here. That is where the signal's coming out of. And of course, if it gets too far away, the signal's not going to detect. It's not going to detect the signal. If you feel like the signal from the remote is getting weak, you can easily replace it using a button cell battery. See, when it hits that, it knows when to stop. So it does so the blades don't break off. And one more thing, you can have two of these things going and the channels will not cross. That's another very important thing. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is a little fun tech tool. I would always recommend you supervise children using it. It did say 6+, so not too sure about that, but kids can definitely play with it, but I would highly recommend that you monitor it. So, all right, thank you so much guys for watching, and have a good day.